How to use security dashboard on Barclays app. The security dashboard, often referred within the app's login and security settings, is centralized hub in the Barclays app. So what here you need to do is to access the security dashboard on the Barclays app. You want to make sure to log into your Barclays app using a 5-digit passcode or biometric. After you are logged in, you then need to go to the more or just tap more at the bottom right corner of the home screen. Once you do it so, underneath you want to go ahead and select settings and then tap on login and security. And within this area, you can review and update several critical security layers like biometric login or mobile PIN as well, or passcode manager or management as well. This way, you're supposed to use security dashboard on the Barclays app, and depending on the type of device that you're using, the interface might be quite different. So you just want to make sure to just go to the security section or just locate settings, and there you should be able to locate. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.